One thing I really want to implement at Westfield is more of our soil sciences and just kind of environmental sciences, and this is one area that I really like, but I just wanted more information that I could get to the students so that they would also appreciate it.
I think that groundwater is something that I talk about commonly in my classes, and I just really wanted to kind of dig a little deeper into the information to really understand and be able to teach it in fun ways to my students.
We want to offer an AP Environmental Science course at our school.
I think one of the most interesting concepts I learned is like just how differently the water is going to move. Like in the model, some of the water you would presume would go this way, but because of different pressures and just how it was formatted, went a totally different direction. So seeing how pollutions and waters can actually move.
I liked looking at the simulator for the groundwater and actually seeing like how it affects our daily life, especially because they talked about how it's not something we see every day, so it's hard to kind of comprehend. So I like that I learned how it actually moves underneath of our feet.
I think just how the different kind of aquifers work with like the confining layers and like non-confining layers, how the water travels.
One, I hope they find it as cool as I do, but I'm a slight nerd, so there's that. But even like a potential career, this is definitely something that we need more individuals for. So just getting that kind of inspiration and knowledge, I think would be a true benefit.
I hope my students get something out of it about just kind of its everyday use, and that they have an impact no matter if they live in a house or own a farm.
Connect groundwater and surface water like they were talking about. When I told my kids I was coming here, they're like, "What's groundwater?" I'm like, "It's water that's in the ground."